Anne stuff. Hello, friends. I am Anne. This is my house. I want to show you some of my favorite stuff. This is my favorite sofa. It is brown and big. This is a small table. It is in our kitchen. This is our white refrigerator. This is our black stove. This is my flat screen. This is my bedroom's window. It is small. This is my mother's yellow lamp. This is our red chair. This is our large bookcase. This is my sister's pink bed. This is a red chair. Correct. This is a large bookcase. Good. This is a small table. That's right.